We're in Portsmouth, the birthplace of Charles Dickens and where the Mary Rose now resides. This film is to give you an insight into music and cultural aspects within the city. We will be interviewing a band who are making headlines in the UK and worldwide, Sonic Boom 6. Sonic Boom 6 are the most compelling sound class to rise in the underground for years. Their sound is as authentic as it is unique. Their sound, described by Kerrang as taking ska, pop, grime, dubstep, punk and metal apart, then rebuild them as a hyperactive hybrid. Your host Connor will be interviewing the band to find out more about them and their sound.
We're at the Wedgewood rooms with Sonic Boom 6. How are you guys?
Yeah, we're good, thank you.
Yeah, very good. Thanks for asking.
How did the band come about?
Well, the band came about. We were me, Layla and Neil, the drummer, have known each other since school.
We were in nursery, like, you know the Muppets, how they had the Baby Muppets, the programme. It was a bit like that, wasn't it?
Yeah, Muppet Babies,
Muppet Babies, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like Muppet Babies. And then when I was about like 18, I was like, oh right, okay, like, you know, Pendulum, the Prodigy, it's like, wait a minute, this is pleasing to my ear. I like this, and it doesn't matter that it's not men with long hair playing guitars. Like, I'm allowed to like this, and I like to think that 90% of the population are like me, and they grow out of it, and they kind of go, you know what? This song is good because I like it.
But whoever's watching Don Broco, I didn't want to like Sonic Boom 6, so we playing these festivals again and again with this, and I was like, tap out, I can't be doing this anymore. This is not why I started this band. I'm in my 30s. I don't want to deal with playing into front of kids that I can't be dealing with anymore. We played Reading and Leeds, and it was just like, the whole tent was bouncing. It was like, this is what we were supposed to be doing.
Yeah, whereas before it was like, oh right, okay, I've got to like try and write a riff that sounds like Pendulum, and I've got to like what would Benji from Skindred do in this bit, and it's like, no, what would Layla do? What would Layla from Sonic Boom 6 do when she gets on that stage and there's a load of people, the sun is shining, it's Reading Festival, what would Layla do?